Datsun saves so many ways, sunshine money for a rainy day. Datsun saves, Datsun saves.
The Datsun Li'l Hustler, America's best-selling small truck. And this year, it's better than ever before with a bigger, more powerful 1800cc overhead cam engine and a special contoured seat that's more comfortable and gives you extra legroom. You also get all the things that made the Datsun Li'l Hustler #1 import truck, like great gas mileage, inexpensive parts, and easy service.
Datsun saves so many ways, sunshine money for a rainy day. Datsun saves, Datsun saves, Datsun saves.
Open your gasoline savings account today. Drive a Datsun. See your neighborhood authorized Datsun dealer.